So now let us see how to start learning data science. Data science is very easy and very interesting to learn. So start learning from now itself and read as much blogs as possible, read some research papers and try to do more projects as possible, because while doing more projects you will be introduced to more type of situations, and you will get to know how to deal with how to deal a certain type of data and how to deal with certain type of situations. You will be get an idea and start exploring Kaggle and start participating in Kaggle competitions and Analytics Vidya competitions. They will be keeping competitions 3 to 5 days, so start doing them, and don't fear by seeing all these mathematical equations or statistics initially. Those will be very easy if you start learning with concept. And don't demotivate by seeing others works, like how they are all doing but I am not understanding anything. It's very easy. Start seeing my playlist to end. You will become a data scientist one day for sure. Read blogs as much as possible and read research papers. This is the one I would suggest. If you can pay, you start doing take some course on data science and do that. This will give you some motivation or confidence that I can solve some projects, like I can become a data science one day. So these type of, but don't spend large amounts on these courses. With low prices or with free also we can find these type of data science courses in online. So start enrolling and start doing them from by today itself. I will end this video by discussing a small business problem, that is New Coke disaster. Coca-Cola announced a change to its nearly century-old secret formula 30 years ago. It was stated that the new Coke would have smoother, sweeter taste similar to Diet Coke, but sweetened with corn syrup. Everyone, like market researchers, were sure it would be a hit. After releasing this Coca-Cola, market only 13% of soda drinkers liked the new Coke. This experiment was not expected by the consumers. Coke drinkers launched some campaigns across the country to force Coca-Cola to bring back the original Coke, which compelled the company to work on it. Where did the company go wrong? The company failed to take right business decision. So business analytics is a scientific process that transforms data into insight. So the data scientist must take care of these type of problems. So again, the Coca-Cola kept some data scientists and they worked on it, and then they got to know that the prior study or prior analysis of releasing the product made this product disaster. In the previous video, we learned about what is data science and why this data science is becoming so popular these days. And in this video, we'll look into role of data scientist and the skills you must acquire to become a data scientist and how to start learning data science. And let's begin our video. And what is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field of subject which consists of scientific methods, machine learning algorithms, processes and systems to extract knowledge or insights from data. So let's see what are the roles of data scientist. Here you can see a small meme that the stocks were decreasing and the owner of the company was asking, where is a data scientist, or find me a data scientist. So data scientist's job was this. So data scientist works closely with business stakeholders to understand their goals and determine how data can be used to achieve those goals. They design data modeling process, create algorithms and predictive models to extract the data and the business needs, then help analyze the data and share insights with peers. While each project is different, the process of gathering and analyzing data were also different. They ask the right questions to begin the discovery process. They acquire the data, they perform some data processing and clean the data, they integrate and store the data. Initially, they perform some data investigation and exploratory data analysis. They choose one or more potential models and algorithms based on some accuracy or some program memory size. Apply data science methods and techniques such as machine learning, statistical model and artificial intelligence. measure and improve results, like they improve accuracy, and they also try to decrease mean square error or mean absolute square error. They also present final results to stakeholders, make adjustments based on their feedback, repeat the process to solve again a new problem or to get a new further accuracy or to boost some further accuracy. So data scientists design data modeling process to create algorithms and predictive models and perform custom analysis. We also have some data scientist job titles like data analysis and data engineers too. So I will say here a simple difference between them. Data analysts manipulate large data sets and use them to identify trends to reach meaningful conclusions to inform strategic business decisions. Data engineers clean, aggregate and organize data from disparate sources and transfer it to data warehouses. Whereas data scientists collect, explore, analyze and visualize data. They apply mathematical and statistical models to find pattern solutions underlying in the data. So these were the basic differences between them. So what are the skills you must get to become a data scientist? You must know statistics to understand the distribution of data or the nature of data or the backend, how the machine learning models were functioning. To understand all these, you must know statistics. You must know data analytics, like how to make analysis by given data, or from using the data how to perform some analysis. And you must know visualization. We have got many visualization graphs like bar chart, pie chart, violin plot, box plot, pair plots, like all the heat maps, word clouds. By all using this, you have to perform some visualizations and you have to create some stories based on the data. And you have to also know machine learning, like you have to build some models based on the data. You have to classify or you have to predict some value. So based on the data or based on the problem, you will select the machine learning algorithm what to use. And you have to also know big data because mostly you will be handling the real time data which is very large, which will be in petabytes or terabytes. So you must be knowing big data. In big data, you can handle data which has in very large volume. You must know Hadoop, MapReduce, Scala, Impala, Hive, Apache Cassandra, Java, and all for this. And but preferable languages for Python, R, and SAS to become a data scientist. Most of the data scientists do some analysis or do visualizations in only Python and R, but less preferable in SAS. But it would be great if you learn all these three. And you must also know about data mining and natural language processing. Natural language processing has some good applications in this data science, like for example sentimental analysis and all.